Hi, my name is Brooklyn, and today we're going to be opening Zoom Zoom Mystery Pack. And this is what you can collect. And I kind of just opened it so it's easier for me to. And I got Cinderella. I just got back from this because it took a little bit of time. It wastes you. I'm just getting Cinderella at first. And here's the back. I'm gonna put it right. And the clock. It's very breakable. Very breakable. And it's hard to put back on. But maybe she can help the camera lady because I'm not going to be able to do that. Here's the top of the castle. It's a tiny little house. Castle. Oh, there. No. I don't know how to fix this either. Please help me. Keep this on. I'll be right back. Hold on. This is what I have been doing. Cinderella's just in her little house. You can take her out. It perfectly secures her, and you can close. The clock is the little door, and the top doesn't stay good. And thanks for watching, and subscribe and give a like. Bye. Have a good day.